Hello from Studio Biku. This is, as you can see, not Studio Biku. I'm in my mum's garage and today I'm going to be doing a craft with flowers from my mum's garden, and this is a beautiful craft, but it does require a little bit of energy because you're going to be using one of these. Let's dive in and see what you need. Gather together the flowers that you've just cut and then choose something that you're going to print onto. It could just be a piece of fabric or a tote bag. I'm using a shirt that my mum gave me that has pretty embroidery on it, so it sort of goes with the theme. You'll need some scissors and you'll also need a hammer. Choose one that is preferably a little less heavy than the one I'm using. You'll need some kitchen towels and you're ready to go. I'm back. It's day 2 after the hammering, and I wanted to show you the updates on the colour that the fabric has changed to. In fact, my daughter did a little bit more printing yesterday, some hammering yesterday, and did a really good job. We had some surprises with lavender, which just didn't work at all, and actually came out in a kind of brown colour instead of a purple that we expected. Viola worked really well, and also the Ajisai, the hydrangeas. Pansies, of course, work the best on this. There are lots of questions about how to fix the colours of the petals. Now, this is not as easy as it sounds, and you can't just iron it to fix it. In fact, I should have done a special process called mordanting before I started doing the hammering, but this was just an experiment, and when I get into doing more colour fast options later on in other videos, I'll show you how I mordant, and you have to scrub the fabric also beforehand to make sure it's prepared for the petals. Another option, if you want to have a more permanent colour fast piece of fabric or garment, is you can arrange the flowers on the garment and also roll it up and steam it for an hour or so. That again is a separate process, which I'll probably be having a go at as well in a future video. The last thing I want to say is I'm very much into imperfections, and I don't really mind that this might fade over time. In fact, it was just a test anyway, but even if it does fade and it's something that I love to wear, I'll just grab some more seasonal flowers and I'll add onto the top of the ones that are already there and just embrace the change. Thanks for watching the video. If you do have a go, please do let me know how you get on in the comments below, or send me a message. My website is bikudesigns.com, and you can find all the information over there. See you soon. If it's something you're into, don't forget to like and subscribe.